So we're in Hawaii, and I thought I would do the outfits that I wear each day. So I'm going to have a three-part vlog for this Hawaii trip, and also I will have a separate vlog of the pack with me, all the things that I packed with me, and then another vlog that will show all the activities that we've done. And I hope that you're going to enjoy this vlog series from Oahu. So this is going to be the video on what I wear each day, and kind of like a brief overview of the activities we'll be doing. Just look how beautiful this paradise is the next 8 days. So this is the travel outfit. I actually videoed this yesterday when we got here to the rental house, but the waves were in the background very loud, so you couldn't hear me. So I've got the microphone on today, and hopefully this will be better. So this is the outfit that I wore for traveling on the airplane. It was a 19-hour day from the time we left the house to the time we got to this rental house. That's about 45 minutes from the airport. We left at 9 degrees, and so I wanted to accommodate for that. And so I have this layered outfit on. And when we landed, it was 79 degrees. So I just have this Amazon tracksuit on. I really like this for traveling. It's really nice to layer. And then I just have this white sleeveless top on. So whenever I landed, I was able to take the jacket off and acclimate to the 79-degree weather here in February. I don't have my shoes on, but I did have the On Clouds. They're a darker color. They're perfect for all the walking that you do in the airport. So this is the travel to airport that I'm redoing the morning after. Today is day 2, and this is our first full day. We're going up to the North Shore, and I'll have the vlog of everything that we're doing up there. But the temperatures are going to be between 70 and 80, so I thought it would be good to wear just something really nice and flowy. We may walk out to the beach, and so I just have these slip-on sandals. They're from the brand Born, which they're really nice and cushioned, so they're perfect for walking around. And then this dress, just a nice flowy dress that has this floral pattern, which I thought was just very Hawaiian. So this is the outfit for today. Today is day 3, and we are going to be exploring the East Coast today. So again, it's going to be in the 80s. So I just wanted something loose, and I love to wear dresses for that. So I just picked up this blue and white dress from Loft. Picked it up last summer, but it's just above the knee, nice and cool and breezy. It's just got like this tall top and then a halter style sleeve. And then I just have those sandals on because we may be going to some beaches, and so they're easy to slip off and walk on the beach. So this is the outfit for day 4. So I just have this pearl bracelet from the Otter Spirits, and it's really cute, and I thought this was perfect for Hawaii as well. So that's all that I have. No necklaces because this is a higher neck, and I'm just going to be minimal jewelry today. Today's day 4, and we've already hiked to the top of Diamond Head. We did that early this morning, so it was kind of dark still, so I could not do the outfit of the day because there's no full-length mirrors in there for me to do it and not a lot of light, so I'm doing them outside. And so I couldn't do it before, so we've already hiked Diamond Head, which actually you can see right behind me. So from the beach house that we are renting on the west side, you can actually see Waikiki, Honolulu, and Diamond Head behind me. And so we did hike to the top of that, and what I wore for that was just this top. I picked it up from the Nordstrom anniversary sale this past summer. Didn't even know that I was going to Hawaii, but I thought this was perfect for it. And then I just have these Pret a Play shorts on. They're from White House Black Market, and they are like a 4.5 or a 5-inch inseam, and I think they're the perfect length. So this was what I wore hiking, and then I have my On Cloud sneakers, which were perfect for the hike up. And then I just had a belt bag, but it's actually in the house. I forgot to bring it out to show you guys, but it's just a pink belt bag. If you watch my pack with me, you'll see it. It's a Lululemon dupe that I picked up from Amazon. It's day 5, and we are back at the rental house in Eva Beach. We've already been whale watching today, along with the Tantalus Drive for the lookout, so you can see all of Waikiki and Honolulu as well as Diamond Head. So we had the first whale watching tour, so I didn't know how cool it could be on the ride out. So I did have this layering piece, which is just the short sleeve ruffle cardigan from Amazon. And then I have this sleeveless wrap top from Liverpool. It does have this band at the bottom. The shorts are from Grace and Lace, which is an online boutique I absolutely love. It has a smocked waist, very comfortable and flowy, almost looks like a skirt. And it has this ruffle detail at the bottom. This floral print felt very Hawaiian to me. And then the shoes today are just these sandals from Born. I had picked them up from the Nordstrom anniversary sale a few years back, and they are super comfortable. So that is the outfit for day 5 here in Hawaii. So today's day 6, and we're going to be going to Pearl Harbor and the swap meet that's at the Aloha Stadium today. So what I wanted to do is just be very casual. So I have this top. It's a sleeveless top front with a V-neck with ruffles at the top from Grace and Lace. And then I have these shorts. They're from White House Black Market. They're the Pret a Play. I love these. They're a perfect inseam length. They have zipper pockets. These are in a navy blue color, and I just thought it went real well with the top. The top is a little bit longer in the back than the front, but I thought this was a really great casual look. We will be doing a lot of walking around the stadium for the swap meet, and so I just have my On Cloud sneakers on. They're a dark color as well, so I thought they all matched. And then I'll show you the jewelry for today. So all I have on is this shell necklace from Kendra Scott, and then I have these two beaded bracelets. They are from the Otter Spirit. I love this brand, you guys. I'm going to link them down below, but it's in this really pretty blue, and then the white. I just thought it was reminiscent of the ocean waters, so I decided to wear these today, and this is the outfit for today, day 6 in Hawaii. Today's day 7, and we're doing hiking to the Lanake pillbox, so you need good walking shoes. So I just have my hiking outfit on, which both of these pieces are from Halar. This is just a regular sleeveless tank style that's loose, and then these shorts are perfect for hiking because they have the bigger leg, and then they also have the biker short that's underneath it that also has a pocket where you can just throw your phone. And these are the longer length. I will link the longer length down below for you guys because these are perfect for hiking. Gives you that breathability, but then also has the biker shorts under this. And then I have my hiking shoes on. I've had these forever. They're from Columbia, but they have a great grip on them because you will walk up the side of the mountain on rocks. So this is the outfit for today for hiking. And then after that, we'll be snorkeling. Today's day 8, and what we're doing today is a luau at Waimea Valley, along with walking to the waterfall, and then the boys are going to be swimming in the waterfall. So for the hike, I just have this Spanx skirt on. I love these. They have the biker shorts underneath it that has a pocket so I can throw my phone in there as I'm walking, and then it's just really easy and breezy. The fabric is really cooling, and then I just have this tank. It's got a little bit of crochet detail at the top, square neck, and this came from Maurice's, and this is a Spanx bottom, and then I just have my On Clouds because of the fact that we are going to be walking to the waterfall, so those will be very comfortable. So this is the outfit for day 8, and then tomorrow traveling, I'll be wearing the same thing that I wore down, so you won't be seeing that video, but a total of 9 days here, 2 days basically traveling, so we got a full 7 days here, and I hope that you will also check out the vlog where I show everything that we've done during the trip here, and also I have a pack with me that will show all the items that I did pack. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video on all the things that I've worn while being in Oahu.